How to turn off orange dot on your iPhone. If you've noticed the little orange dot appearing at the top of your iPhone, you might be wondering what it is and how to turn it off. The orange dot indicates that an app is using your microphone, but if you want to disable it, I'm going to show you how to do it in today's video. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the settings app, and simply scroll down and go to privacy and security. This section contains all your privacy related settings. Now tap on microphone. This will show you all the apps that have access to your microphone. To stop the orange dot from appearing, you can simply toggle off the apps you don't want to have access to the camera. For example, Chrome. Just swipe the toggle to the left for any apps you don't want using your mic. This will stop the orange dot from appearing when those apps are used. And that's it. That's how you can simply stop the orange dot from appearing on your iPhone.